Hey folks, it's Gordon here from Metaverse and Crypto coming back at you with another video. I just wanted to get into the BTC price and we're getting into some action here that is a little bit worrisome for me. We're looking at the daily chart here. If we break the sorry, we're on the weekly chart. Let's look to the daily. If we break this 200 EMA line, the fallout could be brutal from this. So we want to get into this and actually look at some of the technicals around this and what's going on. I'm not the greatest trader, just trying to give some advice on this is not financial advice, just trying to give some education on what you should watch for. Make sure you aren't overexposed. So we have a few barriers in here that could be coming out, and some lines I've drawn in here which if it drops below this 200 EMA line, which is important as we go forward. um, and looking at this, 100K is always a psychological point. If we break below here, the 104K, there's a bit of support there. 100,000 again, as we get into the prices, is always that psychological barrier. And then down below here, we have the 96K line. So if it breaks below 100K and the 200 EMA line, 96 may become a level to watch for, and this is where we may go down to. We may even go a little below that. If it holds at 96K, this could act as a springboard for recovery. If it fails, then we could be looking at support down 88 to 92K, depending on the structure that we're looking at. What happens there? So what happens if BTC does break below this 200 EMA line? This is a momentum shift, and often signals a trend reversal. It's not just a line, it's a sentiment gauge for long-term holders and institutions. Stop loss cascades. Many traders place stop losses just below the 200 EMA line, so a breach of that could trigger automated selling and increase volatility as well. And if we're not in a bearish replacement, we could be in a bearish kind of zone as well. If BT loses that 200 EMA line and 100K, expect repricing towards these lower support lines. Again, this could be 96K, 92, or maybe even 88, depending on where the market sentiment and liquidity grows. And this is also a narrative shift, so media influencers may pivot from bull run correction to kind of we're definitely in the correction area right now as we've gone down. So how can we do for risk management signals? Um, Watch this 200 EMA line. Intraday wicks are noise. Confirmation comes from with close and volume. So make sure you're watching the close and the volume. If you have access, monitor whale activity. If their whales are accumulating below 100K, it could signal a trap for shorts. If they're dumping, brace for a deeper downside. Um, Anyways, just wanted to put this video out there quickly to make sure people aren't getting overexposed and get the risk going. If you like my videos, please like and subscribe. Put some comments down below and I can maybe cover it in a little bit more detail, or we can provide some information going forward. This is Gordon for Metaverse and Crypto.